I'm your AI avatar, and this is what the future of content looks like. This is the new reality. Welcome to it. Let AI do the talking. This is inevitable.
This isn't me talking, it's my AI avatar. And in the next few minutes, you'll learn how to create one too, totally free. No camera, no mic, no editing headaches, just a script and a digital version of you doing all the work. In 2025, creators are building entire YouTube channels without ever showing their face. And the best part? You don't need expensive tools or tech skills to start.
So if you've been waiting to start that faceless YouTube channel, this is your moment. Hello friends, welcome to Tab Zone. Today I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar free. Let's build your AI avatar, step by step, right now. First, we need something for the avatar to say. We will use ChatGPT to write a short, natural script, like an intro or tip.
We will go to ChatGPT and write a simple prompt, write an intro for Talkin' AI avatar. And then ChatGPT will generate an various intro. You can pick any of these. Now head over to Google and search JoggAI. Create a free JoggAI account. On homepage, you will see all these options. Click on Avatar Video option. On this page, you will see all sample avatars. First, select the aspect ratio 16:9. If you want to create avatar for Instagram Reel or YouTube Shorts, go with 9:16 ratio. Once you click the 16:9, all avatars will show up below. You can select any of these avatars. Click on Avatar to see the preview. We will choose this image to create an AI avatar for the video. After that, we will select a voice for the character. Click on this button to choose voice for the character. Here you will see all the voice options. You can click on play button to listen to the voice before selecting. We will choose this voice. Or you can upload audio file here. Use 11 Labs. It lets you generate ultra-realistic speech from your script. You can even clone your own voice. On next step, head over to Edit Script. You can type your script here. We have a ready script. We will paste the script here. Now we are all set to generate the avatar. Click on Generate button. This will take some time to create the video. You can check Created Avatars under Projects tab. Let's see the video now.
This isn't me talking. It's my AI avatar. And in the next few minutes, you'll learn how to create one too totally free. No camera, no mic, no editing headaches, just a script and a digital version of you doing all the work. In 2025, creators are building entire YouTube channels without ever showing their face. And the best part? You don't need expensive tools or tech skills to start.
And just like that, your AI twin is ready to talk for you. You've got the tools, the voice, and the avatar. No mic, no camera, just your ideas and AI doing the rest. So whether you're building a faceless YouTube channel, automating content, or just having fun, this is just the beginning. If this helped, give it a like. Subscribe for more faceless content hacks. And let me know in the comments, what will your AI avatar say first? See you in the next video.